How to link Wealthfront to Chase. Follow these instructions. Log into your Wealthfront account via the app or site and go to the Transfers or Linked Accounts section in your dashboard. Click Add Account and search for Chase Bank from the list of supported institutions to begin the secure linking process. Enter your Chase Bank username and password securely when prompted using the Plaid login window to authorize the connection. Select the specific Chase checking or savings account you want to link for transfers into or out of your Wealthfront account. Authorize account access and review the permissions to allow Wealthfront to securely view balances and initiate transfers. Wealthfront will verify instantly or send to small test deposits. You'll confirm in 1 to 2 days to finish connecting your Chase account. Thank you for watching.